Hey everyone, if you're watching this video, you're searching for more than just fleeting advice on becoming a millionaire. It's a jungle of misinformation out there, but today, we're cutting straight through it. Smash that subscribe button, hit like, and don't forget to drop your thoughts below because what I'm about to share is not your everyday success recipe. Let's get real for a moment. Becoming rich, truly changing your life financially, isn't about binge-watching get-rich-quick videos. No, it's about understanding the secret sauce, the real traits that forge millionaires. Stick with me, and by the end of this talk, you'll view your daily grind through a whole new lens. We're in an era where the traditional path to knowledge and wealth, that 4-year college trek, isn't the only route. The tech at our fingertips? Sure. It's a double-edged sword, but wield it wisely and it transforms into the most powerful tool in your arsenal. The key to unlocking financial freedom isn't just knowing this, it's acting on it. And I'm here to guide you through cracking that code. You've seen it, right? Scroll through social media and there's always that next foolproof money-making scheme, complete with a shiny course. Here's the cold, hard truth. Life isn't one size fits all. What works for Joe might not work for Jane. I believe in tailored success, so I will only introduce you to business ideas, products, and strategies that I trust and that I know actually work, and I will give you several options to choose from that will fit your unique style, goals, and needs. So be sure to check out some of my other videos on my channel to learn more. Step 1. Set clear goals. First off, goal setting. But not just any goals, crystal clear, smack-you-in-the-face goals. Ask yourself, what are my 5 biggest life goals? For example, I plan to take an online course on digital marketing to improve my skills and start freelancing for small businesses. Or I will start a side hustle related to my hobbies or skills that can generate additional income on weekends and evenings. Make them so specific that there's no room for doubt, then break them down into actionable steps. Forget about wishing to get rich. Start dedicating 2 hours daily to mastering a skill that'll pad your wallet. That's how you move the needle. Why are you chasing wealth? If it's just for the dollar signs, you're on a fast track to nowhere. You need a driving force, something deeper. For me, success isn't about the flashy car or the corner office. It's about health, freedom, and spending time with my loved ones. That's happiness. And remember, you're worthy of this life. Don't settle for less because you think that's all you deserve. Step 2. Learn a valuable skill. Time to zero in on the game changer, high-value skills. Here's the deal. Dedicate at least 2 solid hours each day to learning something new. And yeah, I hear you, I'm too busy. But let's be real. How much of that time is just scrolling through social media? Sacrifice is the name of the game. So, what's really holding folks back from hitting it big? Distractions. That endless scroll, that constant barrage of nothingness. But you're going to break the mold. Hit unfollow on that mindless noise and start tuning into content that actually lifts you up, that educates, that propels you forward. This is about crafting your digital world to be a launch pad for your growth, not a black hole for your time. Let's cut through the clutter. It's time to invest in yourself, sharpen those skills, and elevate above the noise. The path to success is paved with the bricks of discipline and focus, and it starts with turning off the distractions and tuning into your ambitions. Remember, folks, to subscribe and drop a comment down below if you're getting value out of this. It helps more than you know. Step 3. Prioritize. Let's get straight to the heart of it. It's time to trim the fat and get laser-focused. Remember, time is more valuable than gold. Ask yourself, where's the payoff in how you spend your hours? It's all about strategizing your day, lining up those dominoes, and then knocking them down one by one. This whole ride, this quest for a better you, it's meant to be exhilarating. Think of it this way. Every minute of your day is a tiny investment in the future you're building. Map out your tomorrow tonight. Identify what's going to push you closer to your dreams and what's just noise. Cut through the clutter and zero in on actions that move the needle. And here's the kicker. Enjoying the process isn't optional, it's crucial. Because this isn't just about getting through your to-do list. It's about creating a life that feels as good as it looks on your vision board. So to everyone out there grinding towards greatness, remember, prioritize, execute, and revel in the journey. This is your story, your masterpiece. Let's make every second count and transform the grind into something grand. Step 4. Sacrifice is a must. Listen up, because this is where the rubber meets the road. Sacrifices? They're not just part of the game, they are the game. If what you're doing day in, day out isn't pushing you closer to your dreams, it's dead weight. Cut it loose. Partying into the early hours, drowning in drinks? Forget it. That's not the path to genuine fulfillment. Real satisfaction? It's born from growth, from making strides towards your goals, not from fleeting moments of escape. Now let's talk about rest. Yes, it's important. Your body and mind need it. But here's the kicker. Real freedom, the kind you're hustling for, doesn't bow to a strict schedule. I don't chase the alarm clock, I chase goals. Sleep is fuel for your dreams, not a leash. It's about finding that sweet spot where you're rested enough to crush it every day without being a slave to the clock. Right now, if this is hitting home for you, take a second. Smash that subscribe button, hit like, and drop a comment. Are you making the sacrifices that matter? Are you balancing hustle with health? Jump into the conversation below, because this community, this tribe, is all about lifting each other up. This is for the bold, the determined, the affiliate marketers carving out their niche, the entrepreneurs building from the ground up, the home office heroes, and the parents juggling dreams alongside diapers. You're not just chasing a paycheck, you're chasing a legacy. Keep that focus, trim the fat from your life, and don't let anyone or anything set your pace. Your journey to freedom is just getting started, and every step counts. Step 5. Cutting ties. Let's zero in on a truth that's often overlooked: the power of your circle. It's about the energy, the ambition, and the drive of those you choose to surround yourself with. If you find that the people around you aren't pushing you, aren't challenging you to stretch beyond your limits, it's time to sound the alarm. This isn't about cutting ties for the sake of drama. It's about aligning yourself with those who see the mountain peak and say, let's climb higher. Being ruthless in curating your inner circle is not about being harsh. It's about recognizing that to truly soar, you need eagles flying with you. If you're in a constant state of evolution, striving for more, and your current squad is content with the status quo, it's not just beneficial to seek new horizons, it's imperative. This journey we're on, it's larger than just accumulating wealth, gathering followers, or achieving fleeting moments of fame. It's about crafting a legacy, making an indelible impact on the fabric of the universe. The people you journey with play a crucial role in this narrative. They're not just companions, they're catalysts for growth, mirrors reflecting your drive, ambition, and the boundless possibilities that lie ahead. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals, those who challenge you, support you, and push you to new heights, is not just a part of the process. It's the foundation of your ascent. Together, you're not just chasing dreams, you're building realities, ones that resonate with the essence of who you aspire to be. In essence, this is a call to action, an invitation to scrutinize the company you keep with a lens focused on your highest aspirations. It's a reminder that every interaction, every shared moment is an opportunity to inspire and be inspired. As you forge ahead, remember that the quality of your connections often dictates the altitude of your success. Let this be the moment you decide not just to dream of a legacy, but to live in pursuit of it, arm in arm with those who dare to dream just as boldly. In the grand tapestry of life, let your circle be composed of those vibrant threads that together weave a masterpiece of achievement and fulfillment. Step 6. Consistency matters. Let's cut straight to the chase. Consistency? That's your ride or die on this journey to the top. Waiting on those instant wins? You'll be waiting till the cows come home. Real talk. The grind doesn't stop for anyone or anything, especially not for glitz and glam. Each step you take, no matter how tiny it feels, is a step closer to where you dream to be. To every affiliate marketer, entrepreneur, home office hero, and every single parent out there striving for financial freedom, this is your wake-up call. Don't just nod along. Dive in, make moves, and never underestimate the power of sticking to your guns. Remember, the path to success isn't a straight line. It's a marathon filled with ups and downs, twists and turns. And it's those who stay the course, who push through the sweat, the tears, and the unseen hard yards that break the tape. So, what's it going to be? Are you ready to commit to the grind, to make consistency your cornerstone? Let's make every moment count. Every effort build towards that breakthrough we're all chasing. It's about more than just financial gains. It's about building a legacy, creating a life that resonates with passion, purpose, and relentless pursuit of what sets your soul on fire. To all the dreamers turning their grind into their triumph, let's do this. Your future self will thank you for not giving up, for pushing through the tough days, for making consistency your best friend. Let's build, grow, and achieve together. Step 7. Count your blessings. All right, let's lock in for a moment and really get down to the core of it all. Gratitude. It's not just a buzzword, it's your secret weapon. Look around you right now. What do you see? What do you have? You're alive. You've got dreams bubbling up inside, a heart pumping with passion, and a mind capable of imagining possibilities that are just waiting to be unleashed. That's your starting block, not your limitation. You see, it's easy to get caught up in the chase, always looking at what's next, what's missing, what we think we need to make it. But here's the deal. What you already have is enough to take that next step. That breath you just took, that's proof you've got another shot, another moment to push towards those dreams. This isn't just about counting your blessings as an exercise. It's about recognizing your arsenal, your toolkit. You've got everything you need to start making waves, to start turning those dreams into your reality. So, don't wait for the perfect moment, the perfect opportunity, or the perfect set of tools. The perfect time is now, with what you have, where you are. Let's not waste another minute doubting if we're enough, if we have enough. You are and you do. Start from there, build from there. Your journey to greatness is built on appreciating and leveraging what's right in front of you. So, take that gratitude, mix it with grit, and watch as you propel yourself into realms you once thought were just dreams. To everyone out there grinding, dreaming, and doing, remember to take stock of your blessings. They're your fuel, your motivation, and sometimes your answer. Let's keep pushing, keep striving, and most importantly, keep appreciating every step of the journey. This is where it starts, and the sky's the limit. We're about to wrap up, but before we do, hit that like button if you found any of this helpful, and subscribe for more straight talk. It's about being part of a community that cheers for each other. I'm here for you, rooting for you to crush it and achieve those million-dollar dreams. Remember, every comment, every share, every like, it all builds this community, our tribe of dreamers, doers, and relentless achievers. And here's the final nugget of wisdom for today: embracing the grind. It's about falling in love with the process. Those long hours, the setbacks, the moments of doubt, they're all part of your success story. Every millionaire, every success story you admire, they've been right where you are now. They pushed through, and so will you. I want to leave you with this. Success is a journey, not a destination. And on this journey, you're going to need to make some tough calls. Cut out the noise, focus on what matters, and above all, stay true to yourself and your vision. Because at the end of the day, that's what separates the successful from the dreamers. You've got this incredible opportunity at your fingertips. The internet, your determination, your unique talents, they're all pieces of the puzzle. And when you start putting them together, day by day, step by step, you'll look back and be amazed at how far you've come. Don't forget to check back in for more insights, strategies, and pep talks. We're all in this together, and I'm here to keep feeding you the fuel you need to skyrocket to your goals. Subscribe if you haven't yet, hit that bell to stay on top of your game with notifications, and never hesitate to reach out in the comments with your thoughts, your progress, or even your stumbling blocks. We're a community, and every voice matters. May God richly bless you and your family in your journey. See you in my next free training video. If you're ready to level up your YouTube game, check out my other video right here where I spill all my secrets. In this video, I walk you through, step by step, how to start your own faceless YouTube channel. Trust me, it's packed with good stuff. This is the best training video I have ever made so far on this topic, and I share the exact steps and techniques that I use for all of my videos and channels. And the best part? It is totally free. So click the link right here and watch the video until the very end. Best of luck to you on your YouTube journey.